So here is a numerical based on parts per million, where it is given that a sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform, supposed to be carcinogenic, that is poisonous in nature. The level of contamination was 15 ppm by mass. Express this in mass percent, determine the molality of chloroform in the water sample. So it is given that 15 ppm, and 15 ppm means that 15 gram of chloroform is available in 10 to the power 6 gram of solution. It means weight of solute is 15 gram, and that weight of solution, it will be solute, that will be 10 to the power 6 gram. So weight by weight percent, it will be 15 upon 10 to the power 6, and that will be 100 for percent. So it will be 15 into 10 to the power minus 4. If you solve it, it will be 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3%. So this is mass percent of the given question. Now we have to deal with determine the molality, and molality is obtained for 1 kg of water. So over here, the given percent is for 100 grams. So 100 gram contains this amount. So if we say that 100 gram of sample contains how much? 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 1 gram will contain 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 by 100. So 1000 gram will contain 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1000 upon 100. So this will give us 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 gram. So this is for 1000 gram of the sample, and molality is obtained from 1000 gram only, that is 1 kg. So molality will be taken as number of moles of CaCl3 upon volume of solvent in kg, that is solvent. Now over here, number of moles is taken as W upon mm, and here volume of solvent, that will be in kg. If we don't multiply by 1000, so it will remain as same. So W over here is taken as 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2, the same one, and its molar mass is 119.5 gram per mole. Here volume of solvent is taken as 1 kg. We can take 1000 gram. So over here we have to multiply it by 1000 when we have taken in grams. So this will cancel out, and this will come out as 1.255 into 10 to the power minus 4 m. So this is our molality. In this way we can find molality. Thank you.